We tried the Efteling Grand Hotel and we'll give you our full review in this video. Hi everyone, it's Adam from Disney. Today we're reviewing the Efteling Grand Hotel, the flagship accommodation located right next to the entrance of Efteling. We'll tell you everything you need to know before booking your stay. Let's get started. The hotel sits directly at the park entrance, overlooking the iconic mountains. This is Efteling's most luxurious hotel, designed as a grand palace, and it feels like sort of stepping into a Wes Anderson movie. The overall theming here is seriously luxurious. The hotel features 143 rooms and suites, all housed in one central building. And before we dive into the detail, let's cover the perks you get staying here. Staying at the Efteling Grand includes free valet parking or general parking at the hotel, early entry for hotel guests 30 minutes before it opens to the rest of the guests, and 2 private entrances to the park. Park tickets are included on all days of your stay, including check-in and check-out. There's complimentary luggage storage if you're not travelling by car, and your daily breakfast is included in your room rate. Let's cover the facilities at the hotel. As you enter the lobby, it immediately sets the tone. Elegant, warm and beautifully themed, with a 24-hour reception desk in front of you, though you can check in using the app. There are 2 shops at the hotel. Arcadoo, which is the bigger shop, open during park hours for both hotel and park guests, and it carries a pretty broad selection of merchandise, plushes, costumes, accessories and souvenirs. Next door you have the Hotel Boutique Sens. This is a beautifully designed boutique that's open 24/7 exclusively for Efteling Grand Hotel guests. Here you'll find luxury items like bathrobes, towels, glasses, spa treatment products and gourmet treats. There's also an exclusive Efteling Grand Hotel scent line, all with the optional luxury gift wrapping. Most of the items you get in your hotel room, from the cups to the glasses, are available to buy here. Moving on, let's cover the spa. And this is my personal favourite feature of this hotel, and is a must-do for a relax and an unwind. It has lockers, changing rooms, bathrooms, towels, all the stuff you'd expect. And then you go through into the main spa, which has a sauna, steam room, plenty of lounges, 2 smaller shallow pools for little ones, plus the main pool, refreshments and an ice shower. This is a great way to recharge after a busy day in the parks. There's a treatment room where for an extra charge you can book different massages. Access to the spa and pool is included for all hotel guests and no reservation is needed, and opening times are included in the app daily. Moving on, let's talk coffee shops and bars. The hotel has a dedicated coffee shop called Cafe Biscuit, where alongside barista made coffee you'll find fresh pastries, soft drinks and the hotel's signature Grand Hotel cookie, which we tried and we thought was really tasty. For bars, you have Bar Mystique, which is stunning inside and offers signature cocktails, wines, spirits and some fantastic light bites well worth a try. There's plenty of indoor seating, but there's also a terrace outside with panoramic views over the fountains, and if you come at the right time you can watch that fountain show whilst having a glass of wine. Let's cover dining, and Bar Mystique also includes a restaurant. Specifically a fine dining restaurant where you set a theme for your tasting menu, and you can expect a multi-course experience with dishes inspired by nature and the seasons, artistic plating, local and regional ingredients, with cocktail and wine pairings available. Though if you're a picky eater, you may struggle here because you don't know what you're getting until it lands on your table. Your second restaurant is Brasserie 7. This is where you're going to have your complimentary breakfast, and the choice is vast. There's an extensive buffet, hot dishes, pastries, fruit, Dutch breakfast classics, plus a la carte specials, and tea, coffee, juices, and even champagne. At lunch and dinner, the Brasserie 7 menu is built around 7 magical ingredients, so you can expect twists on classic brasserie dishes, burgers, salads, and seasonal specials. Unlike Bar Mystique, you do get a standard menu that you can choose from. We liked both restaurants, but for us, Brasserie 7 did win it out. It also has a large terrace overlooking the fountains, which again is a great spot in the summer months. Pre-booking dining is highly recommended on the app or website to ensure you get the place you want for dinner, but you don't need to book for breakfast if you're staying here, you just rock up. Moving on, let's cover hotel rooms. And you get a good mixture of rooms, all of which are very well appointed with plenty of storage and feature premium bedding, air conditioning, modern bathrooms, smart TVs, tea and coffee facilities, plenty of power outlets, and Wi-Fi. You have a choice starting at standard rooms, which are called deluxe rooms, which can sleep between 3 and 6 people depending on the room selected. Then deluxe rooms with a balcony. Tower rooms, which are the same size as a standard room, but with an extra window, and it's at the centre of the hotel. Junior suites with a living room with or without a balcony. These rooms and all above it include robes and slippers. And finally, you have various full suites from 1 bedroom up to 3 bedrooms with or without balconies. We have video tours of a standard deluxe room that sleeps 4, and a suite with balcony, which we'll leave a link to in the description at the end. All of these rooms are very comfortable, and the balcony rooms have different views over parts of the park, which was particularly nice. Let's cover our overall review of the hotel. And I have to say, this is one of our favourite hotel stays in Europe. We loved the location, the luxury theming, and the overall aesthetic and vibe. The quality of the rooms, the tranquility of the hotel, especially the spa, and the high quality dining and overall service and care. It really felt like we were looked after, and when we left, we were already looking at our next trip. Last time we checked out, we received an email offering a 25% off discount for future stays if they were booked within the next 6 months. So if you do try it and want to come back, it's worth checking your spam or junk mail for that email. And that's another video done. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We have a separate guide on the Efteling theme park, which we'll leave a link to at the end. And if you like this content, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification button for more. This is Adam, and until next time, just keep swimming.